So in this stage we are going to solve question number 8 from exercise 13.5, and it's all about from Cambridge Admit book, and it's also a board exam question. It came in the year of June 2013, and the paper name is 0606 Cambridge Additional Mathematics from IGCSE. So in that stage question written, and also there is a diagram provided here. OA vector is A given, OC is C given, OB is B, and P is on the diagram AB. AP is to AB 3:4. So ratio is given as well, and Q lies on OC. Q lies on OC, it is written here 2:3. So OQ is to QC. OQ is to QC, we can write 2:3. Let me write the ratio. 2:3 is here. And another one, AP is to AB. AP is 3, and AP, if AP is 3 and AB is 4, so 4 minus 3 we can write here. AP is to PB, which is 3:1. Okay, our first question, express AP in terms of A and B. Let me start our working by writing from here. AP, vector AP. Let's do it by writing AP. First AP. AP actually we can write here. AP is a, if we see the diagram, AP we can write directly, which is the portion of AB, 3/4 of the AB. Let me write here 3/4 of AB. This is the AB. Now we can break down by writing 3/4. AB you can write here OB minus OA. OB minus OA according to the rule of position vector. Then it would be 3B/4, because OB is given B and OA is given A, and minus 3A/4. That is the vector AP. We got it, and written there. Hence show that OP equals to this. OP equals to this. So let me write OP again. OP, now we can go through OA plus AP, because we already have the result of AP. OA equals to A, then AP result we are going to use from the answer of the AP part. 3B/4 minus 3A/4. So from A part, if we subtract 3A/4, it gives us A/4, and B part is 3B/4, and that is our answer of OP. We also can take common by writing it the way it is written here. If I take 1/4 common, then it gives us A plus 3B. Question is asking you to solve OP equals to this, and we got it. We can write here shown. This is the first part of this question. Second part, it is written here, find PQ in terms of A, B and C. What is the PQ? PQ here, P is this point and Q is here. So for question number 2, let me use different color to that question. Second question is PQ. We can write starting of this vector by writing with the position vector OQ minus OP, and OQ is given here. Actually OQ, we can write this is the portion OQ here. If we see here, which is 2/5 of OC, because OQ directly not given, OC is given as a C. As we know, OC is a C. So for OQ we can write here 2/5 of OC. 2/5 of OC vector. This is the easier way. If you did not understand this one, let me write how we are related with the OQ and OC. Let me write the OQ part on the right side and OC part, because we needed to make the relation OQ-OC. And OQ portion is 2 given, but whereas OC portion is 2 plus 3, which is 5. So OQ equals to 2/5 of OC, and OP is, we got it from here. This is the result of OP. We are going to use this result here, minus A by 4 minus 3B by 4. And our final answer is 2 by 5 of OC is C minus A by 4 minus 3B by 4. And this is our answer of PQ. We can write here because we can't simplify this one anymore. Now the last question here, which is written here, 5 PQ equals to 6 BC, find C in terms of AB. We are going to use this relation here, and let me erase this part. I'm going to show it here on the right side of my board right now for doing question number 3 part. Let me write this relation. 5 of PQ, we already have the result of PQ, equals to, on the right side it is 6 of BC. Do we have the result of BC? No. Then we can write here OC minus OB, no problem. 5 of PQ. PQ, this is the result of PQ. We are going to write the PQ result from the second question answer, which is 2C by 5, then minus A by 4, then minus 3B by 4, and the right side 6 of OC minus OB, because we can express that one in terms of C and B as well. So now simplify for the full thing by multiplying with the 5, then it gives us 5 and 5 you can cut out, to C minus 5A by 4, then next one is minus 3 5 is the 15 B by 4, 3 5 is the 15 B by 4. On the right side it is 6C, because OC is C, minus OB means B, so we can write here 6B. That is our final statement. Now we needed to find C in terms of B, C as a subject. Let me make C as a subject here, and we're taking rest of the part in another side. So 6B, we can take 6B on the left side, then minus 15B by 4, and minus 5A by 4. On the right side 6C minus 2C. So from right side you can write here 4C, but on the left side 6B minus 15B. So 6 minus 15 by 4. Let's use calculator to get help. For B part you can write 6 minus 15 by 4. 6 minus 15 by 4, it gives us actually 9 by 4. So on the left side I'm going to write 9B by 4, then minus 5A by 4. So our target is to make C as a subject, because it is written here C. Let me make C as a subject, C. Then we have to divide with the 4 on the both side, which is gives us 9B by 16, and another one 5A by 16. And this is our final answer, C in terms of B and A. Hope guys you understood this question.